and welcome to Schoology Basics. This is video 4, Schoology Tips and Tricks. In this video, we're going to learn about shortcuts that will make your Schoology experience easier. And in this version, we're going to be using a computer. So, a couple cool things that you can do in Schoology to make it easier is by using our filter. So when we're on Schoology, a lot of times you'll have teachers that will have these folders and they will have a lot of material in them. In fact, a lot of times your material page, you'll just have folder within a folder within a folder within a folder, and you'll have a lot of different materials. And sometimes you just want to see what assignments that you still have, or you want to check and make sure that you participated in all the discussions for your class, or you want to go back in and find a file that you submitted or a link. So the quickest and easiest way to find that, instead of clicking on each one of these and trying to dig through, save yourself some time. And you get to use your filter button. So up here in this little spot where it says all materials, you've got this little caret, this little down arrow. If you click on that, this is how you're going to filter through. So if, let's say, you want to see just the assignments for that class, you just click on assignments and you can see just the assignments that your teacher has in your class. Or if, let's say, you want to check out just the tests and quizzes, there they are, you're filtering out that way. Or let's say you want to see just the extra files. So this particular teacher in this class did not have any extra files for you to look at. So that's why that's going to be empty and blank. But if your teacher had files, you would see them. They would appear. External links, if they have any links, you're going to find them there. This teacher doesn't have any, but you would find those links. Discussions. So this teacher did have a discussion that you did post on, so you can go back in and find it that way. There is also pages or albums or this SCORM, web content, external tools. So if you have sometimes those Flipgrid things, you might be able to find it through there. And then there's assessments and managed assessments. So this is a really, really nice tool. It makes it a lot easier to find things that you're looking for. Other things that you might want to find. So if, let's say, I click on Schoology, and let's say I'm on my main page, and I'm looking through and I'm trying to find different things, and let's say I'm in the middle of an assignment and I want to go back to that main home page. A lot of students will click on this back arrow to get back to it, and you can do that, but sometimes that can get you tangled up as well. So if you look up above the assignment, you have your path right here on how to get to that assignment. So this way, if you need to go back to part of that path, like assignments, and this will show you just your assignments, or you want to go back and you want to go just to the class, you can click on the name of the class and it'll take you back there. So that's another really nice shortcut that makes things a little bit easier to navigate and get around. Also, if you click on notifications here, that's a really nice way for you to send a message to your teacher for just that class. Otherwise, if you go into notifications here, when you go to send a message, you can send your message that way. But you'll also be able to see maybe other messages that you had on this list if you don't have any messages, so we're not going to look into that. But notifications right here, you can contact your teacher right away for your class, and you can also see your correspondence in those threads that you've had with your teacher for that class. So those are some other really nice shortcuts. Another really nice shortcut and feature is this calendar here. So if we open up our calendar, you can see laid out what you have, and that's a nice way just to kind of figure out when you have things due. You can also import your calendar and export your calendar. So there's some other really nice features that you can use there as well. And now I'm going to go back. I'm going to back arrow. So now I'm back on my regular page, and that makes things just a lot easier. One final tip or trick: please make sure that whenever you're turning in an assignment for your teacher, that in addition to turning in the assignment whatever way they need you to, that you click that submit assignment button, because that is going to give your teacher a notification that you completed the assignment. And that way they can get to it a lot faster, because you don't want to have your teachers hunting and searching for your assignments, because then you might get upset because it's not graded when you would like to have it done. And those are some fun tips and tricks in Schoology using a computer.